What if I told you the fastest way to make money online isn't selling a product, but it's selling something that people already need? And the best part is you don't have to invent anything, you don't need any experience, and you don't need a huge audience. This isn't theory. This is what I'm actually doing right now, and I'm going to show you real orders, and I'm going to show you incredible AI tool that can build a true recurring business for you in just about 10 minutes. And I'm even going to show you how to get customers really without spending anything on advertising. Now, here's a perfect example. Here is a video I did 10 months ago showing people how to set up a squeeze page and landing page for free in 5 minutes. I'm using system.io, which you can get for free, and it still works on the free version. So I show people exactly how to do it. This video only got 354 views, yet last week I just got a couple orders at $300 each to set this up for people. Here's one order we got on the 26th, okay, just a little while ago, $297. I'll blur out the name for privacy reasons. Now here's another one just a few days earlier for $297, and that was off a video off like 300 views. And these aren't the only ones I've done, and I'm not going crazy promoting this either. I'm just offering it out there on my website and on YouTube. But with 300 views, you know, let's just say it was just 2 orders. Okay, it's been way more than that. But say it's 2 orders, that's like $2 a view, you know. You don't get that from YouTube, right? So that there's another lesson there, that sometimes YouTube videos which propose an actual service can make you more money than videos that get lots of views. So there's the next thing I'm going to show you. It was the same exact thing. Now here's another service I have. Now I did another video on this, the YouTube channel and video creation service. Now I got 25,000 views on this, but a lot of that was I actually put advertising on it. I had like 600 views before, and I got tons of orders from this. Now this is just $197. I'll set up a YouTube channel, create a little demo video for you, and we'll post it on a bunch of different sites, social media sites for you. It's a nice little package, okay? And I decided to buy advertising on it because it works so good with the organic, but actually where I got all the sales which was just the organic traffic, which was like 600 views for this video, which was not earth-shattering, but yet I made really good money with this. Now I looked up the orders here, okay, and here's just from that product alone, okay, that product alone. So I have 3 pages of orders here, and there's a $97 package there as well, where we just create a video for them. So that gives you an idea. You know, you can make some money from these very basic services. I do want to be realistic here too. I do have a mailing list, and after I made the video, and I did get a lot of orders directly from the video, I sent it out to my mailing list. So that's just the lesson too. It's always good to build an email list. You can even go to a site like Fiverr, find a bunch of services, and then sell those services to your local market. And I don't really recommend so much being a seller on Fiverr. That's really tough because you're competing with a lot of low-cost providers. But you could arbitrage this. You could find some services, create a little web page about that, and start promoting that to businesses in your area. And people generally prefer to do business with people in their area, and mark up that product or service. That's another angle, another way you can go without even learning how to do the service. Here's the lesson here. People will pay for convenience. Now, people don't just pay for things they can't do. They pay for things they don't want to do. Sometimes they're busy. Sometimes they're overwhelmed. Sometimes they simply don't want to learn another skill. And I get it, because I'm the same way. There's probably some things I could learn, but I'd rather just pay someone else to do it and concentrate on my business. So one of the fastest ways to start making money online is to offer a service. Now, there's something you know how to do that someone will pay you to do. But here's the great thing with digital services. If there's something you want to learn, you could just ask AI and learn anything. I'm constantly learning new things. So if there's something that you want to learn that you don't know how to learn, there's no more excuse. You can learn it and offer that as a service. Now, the next business model is a killer. I love this, and I just started doing this one, okay? And I'm going back and forth with people on this. But this is creating AI websites with a software. You probably heard of it, maybe not. Go High Level. Go High Level is the premier software for promoting businesses and local services. It does so much, but I'm not going to concentrate on everything it does. I'm just going to focus on this one. This is AI Studio. This is a new feature they have, and you can build an incredible website just through a prompt, and you can sell these websites. You can actually give them away for free and charge for the hosting, and people don't get rid of their websites generally. They stick with it for a long time, so it's a real opportunity to build recurring passive income for real once you set it up. So the first thing you're going to do is go to your local area. Now, I've been working with mold testers, so I'm using mold testing as an example, but you don't have to use that as an example. I say go with your area, and any local business, service businesses are good. So mold testing, Fort Lauderdale. And what I'm looking for, you see how it says website. I'm looking for businesses that don't have a website already. So I'm going down here. Most of them do have websites, but you're going to find some that don't. All right, here we go. We found a business. I like it that they have reviews, so that means they're in business, and they don't have a website listed here. That's just so crazy. All right. They've got beautiful trucks. They got everything here. All right. But we come down here, and they got nice reviews, but they don't have a website listed here on their Google business page. You can see Google is saying add missing information, add website. Okay. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click share, and I'm going to copy this link here. That's the link to the Google business page. I'm going to put this right here for now. Now, next, I'm going to copy and paste this prompt here. Okay. Now, by the way, if you want links to Go High Level, I'll send you a link to where you can get a free trial for Go High Level, and also all the links to my videos where I offer services, so you can take a look and see how those work as well. Just comment services below in the comments area, services, and I'll send you the free trial for Go High Level, and I'll send you the links to the videos that I have made promoting services, just to give you an idea. So now I have this prompt. You are an award-winning designer, CRO expert, local SEO specialist, and direct response copywriter. Your task is to create a premium website for a local business listing only using the information from the Google business profile. So I have the link to the Google business profile, and I have this killer prompt, which you could get by commenting services in the comments area, as well as all the other links and free trial for Go High Level. So you come here, and this thing is going to build a great website. Okay, I come here, and it's going to start doing its thing just through AI. So now it's going to ask me just a few questions. So what color palette do I like? Okay, I'm going to choose this one and go next. And then what type do I want? I'm just going to go with this one and go next. What should the layout look like? Again, I'm just going to go with the default and go right here. And to review my answers, I click submit, and now it's going to start making this website. So here is the website. They built an entire website in just about 10 minutes based on the information on their Google business profile. That's it. Just clicking a few prompts. And we've got a services section, about us section, contact. Okay. I mean, this thing's incredible. It's got everything. And by the way, with Go High Level, you can integrate email. You can integrate AI, chatbots, everything. That's more advanced stuff. But this created a basic website right here, beautifully designed, SEO optimized. And we've got all these services pages. Now, I can even go further and ask it to do better. Like we have services listed here, right? But he didn't create separate services pages. which is always a good thing. And I'm going to tell it to create separate services pages. You see, I don't have to edit any code. I can just edit by prompt. I'm going to tell it to create separate services pages for each service, like mold testing, mold remediation, and SEO optimized for all the cities in Broward County. So when people look for Cooper City or Dania or Pompano, those are the cities within Broward County, they're going to find this business because it's going to be SEO optimized for the specific location, for the specific service. So that's the type of website you want for a local business. Again, I'm going to put this here and it's going to create those pages. Okay, now it's done. Let's take a look. We look at the services pages. Okay. Come down here. So I came here and I wanted a nice menu. So when I click here, now I go to mold testing. It's a services page. Look at all this. It's got all the keywords for all the different cities around Fort Lauderdale to optimize it for local business. Okay, I've got separate pages for contact, okay, for about us, okay, services. But you know what? It's not enough. I want a blog and 3 blog posts with images on each blog post and a link in the menu for the blog. Okay, I'm going to see if it can add this on. Now look at this. This created a blog in just a few seconds with articles on it. Look at this. This is unbelievable. Okay, I come here, I got a blog, I got different articles, I've got images. It's perfectly formatted and everything. This thing is fantastic. Now, here's the blog post. Interesting, May 15th. That's interesting. It's not May 15th. It's a simple article here, but I could go in the prompt and say, make this a 3,000 word article. Okay, I can go on and on with this, but basically you can put a really nice website here in just a few minutes without any technical hassles. Now I'm going to click publish here. It's going to give me this URL. I can even attach it to a domain. All right, I'm not going to go into all that, but yeah, you can run it on your own domain, which obviously is what you should do. I'm going to click here, publish, and it's going to give me this URL. I copy it, come up here, and you can see the full website right here. Here's the website. Look at this. Just a few minutes. Now, you could offer to give these to the people for free, and you just charge for the hosting, you see. And I'm going to show you how that works. So the process is you find people through Google Maps in your area, businesses that don't have a website, okay? And what you're going to do is first you're going to contact them. Now, here's an example of what you can say, and you don't have to say this exactly word for word, but say you found somebody, a business, it didn't have a website. Before you build it, even spending the 10 minutes to build it, that's all it takes, which is crazy. You can email the person and say, hey, Tim, I'm using roofing as an example. I see you run a roofing business, but you don't have a website. I've got a professional roofing site ready to go to turn leads into sales. I usually sell this for $3,000. That's optional to say that. Everything's optional, but it's yours today for free. If you want it, just pay for the hosting. Now, what I'm doing is I'm offering it for free, and I'm charging like $97 for the hosting. Now, that's a little bit more than they could get hosting on their own, but they'd have to build their own website on their own, manage it on their own, and I include simple changes to the website and additions. If it's going to be a major project, then they'd have to pay more, but simple additions. And you saw how simple it was with just the prompts. And all these are hosted on Go High Level, and you can host unlimited websites on Go High Level, which is incredible. All right. So if you want a free trial of Go High Level, go ahead, comment services below. I'll give you the links to all this stuff, including the prompts that I have. And the little letters. Again, they can be modified to suit you. But that's the concept. Give away free websites to local businesses. Charge them whatever you want. You could charge them $50 a month. Okay, you could charge them $150 if they'll pay for it. And maybe offer some value-added service. Up to you. It's really wide open. But the great thing about websites is they stay with this forever, because people don't usually get rid of their websites. That's the last thing they get rid of. Found this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you think someone else could benefit from this information, send them the video too. Post it on your social media, on your Facebook pages, and make sure to comment services below. I'll send you all the links. And for the free trial for Go High Level, I mean, that's just incredible software. I'm totally blown away with it. They got 24/7 support. The guys who invented this are basically geniuses. So go ahead and do all that. And if you'd like to see more videos on marketing, go ahead and click the next video that you see on your screen. Thank you so much. This is Matthew May, Quick Register SEO.